Hello guys, welcome to our channel Lakshmi and Srihari's World. Today we are going to Kofakan. Here in Alrafisa Dam. This dam's name is Alrafisa Dam. It is in Kofakan, Sharjah. Come on, let's go! Yay! This is the play area and it's very fun to play here. And many other things to do here, and we can do many things, but unfortunately we can't go kayak. Scared of water, and we don't know how to kayak to use that turtle. That's why we are not going there. Guys, there are also goose. Guys, look, there are so many ducks and goose here. So exciting. Guys, remember, you should not forget this place. It is such a beautiful place to spend your vacation in. If you are living in UAE, you could visit this place. It is so beautiful. Guys, you should also remember that this place is in Kofakan in Sharjah. Beautiful day today and we had lots of fun. Bye guys! Remember to subscribe our channel, press the like button and stay tuned to watch some more interesting and nice videos.